I've already posted one video. And ooh. That's Addie. If you didn't see the last video, let me go ahead and point her out. This is Addie. Or, well, I call her Addie. You guys call her Addison. This is Addie. They come over. Hey, get me! And London. You light me up inside like the 4th of July. Douglas? Yeah, but actually, me and Addie and London. Me and Addie and London are all kind of like family, but we're not related literally at all. But, so yeah. And she goes to school with me. I know, I got amazing. What grade are you in, London? 5th. She's in 5th? At my school? Get this! She's in 3rd. Get this. Okay, we're going. We're rolling. Yeah. Amazing girl. Oh my goodness. And I love to talk like Miranda things, so yeah, as you can tell. So yeah. She kicked the ball and she missed it. I'm standing on this to be very careful. Oh, I'm standing on this to be careful. Thank you. July. Oh, they always do. It went way up there. I'm trying to point it. It is not actually about to rain. It just looks like it on the camera because my camera is terrible. So, yeah, keep that in mind. Oh, God. I almost slipped off of this. Let's see. Oh, God. I'm having to hold on to this. Ooh, there goes Eddie. She's having to walk so long. So long. Like tits. They came here on their scooter right there. Ah, yes. I zoomed it in for you guys. Because you guys are our guests and guests. So, we got 5 more subscribers. 5 new subscribers. We got 5 new subscribers. Well, now we have 7 subscribers. I don't know. If there's someone named Samantha Boaz, then, hey, Sammy, Sagan, and Addie. Addie, smile. Oh, Sammy. We missed you, by the way. And it's Tuesday, so, yeah, it's election day. London. She loves to listen to songs. Whoa! And you know Addie. Oh, wait, let me zoom her in. This is not Addison's channel, by the way. Yeah. Nah. Once I was 7 years old. Oh, I can sing really good, London. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me go.
Last year I called Grace, and she made a song and she sang it when.
Was it terrible?
It was
bad.
beautiful but horrible.
So it was bad. Pretty much terrible. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me go.
Make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely.
Once I was 7 years old.
I was a big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker.
Buying everything.
Smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never left, so we were out to make that.
You know Logan. London. You know London, Sammy. So, yeah. Anyways. Hey. Addie, where is Roy? He's over here now. can't find Roy. Roy is Addison's beagle, which is cat. So, sink. I'm gonna zoom into this. There's Addie. Meow. There's Doug. Doug is against Addison. Meow. Look at him limping like a baby. Like a baby. Here it comes. He caught it. I know, I'm turning it now. He did not catch that. I'm going, Addie. Go. Throw. I'm waiting.
You guys are just go. Soon I'll be 60 years older. Think the world is colder when I handle on the
Hey, Roy! Hey, buddy! Hey, Roy! Roy, it's here. Hey, it's here. I'm gonna zoom.
How you doing?
Where's Roy? He's in the road.
He's in the road. Run! Come on,
Right there.
Lisa!
Come here. He's sitting. Roy! Come here, buddy. Here. Roy! You wanna come? This cute little Roy. Are you a good boy? Yeah? You wanna come over there? There's Roy. Hey, buddy. So yeah, you see Roy now. He scared me for a minute there because he started to jump. So, you guys like puppies? He's not a puppy. He's a big boy. Yes, he is. He's a really big boy. Come on. Come on. Addie, he's listening to me. Come on, buddy. Stop, dog. Don't hit me. Here he comes. Hey, Roy. Hey, Roy. Hey, Roy. He's so cute. Are you a cutie? Are you a cutie? He's a good boy. Addie, look. Huh? Hey, buddy. Look. You're a good boy. Ew! Addison, come here. Addie, get over here. Look. It's Wiener. He's happy with himself. There's London. Right there.
Oh, the Cupid shuffle!
You're a good boy.
No,
Oh, look at Roy. He's been listening to me USA. So,
Hold on.
if you like this video, give this video, smash that like button, and in my face, like a boss. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't already, and in my face, like a boss. See you until next time. Bye.